Are you searching for best 3D printer under 300 in 2023? Hey guys, I am Ratul Khan. I have been working on AliExpress products for about 3 years. Hopefully, my experience and guidelines will help you best product choice. Today I am going to reviews top 5 best 3D printer under 300 in 2023. Number 1, VORON 0.2 or 1 Corexy 3D Printer Kit. VORON 0.2 or 1 Corexy 3D Printer Kit Upgraded Mini Stealth Burner. New CNVORON version 0.2 or 1 Kit's FDM Clipper High Precision DIY 3D Printer. Number 2, KINGROON 3D Printer. KINGROON 3D Printer KP3S KP3S Pro /S1/V2 KP5L Creality Fast Assembly High Precision Printing Linear Guide Rail FDM Impressora 3D. Number 3, KINGROON 2.4 Kit DIY Corexy 3D Printer. High-resolution touch interface, 5-inch BTT touchscreen with double the pixel density for a more intuitive and smooth operation, integrated wiring solution, built-in RP2040 microcontroller and BTT2209 CAN toolboard, reducing cable clutter by 80% for a sleek and reliable setup. Diverse mainboard options, brand new Octopus Pro mainboard with a 180 MHz clock speed to meet all your customization needs, quiet and efficient cooling, premium Sunan. Fans with noise levels below 50 dB for stable, long-term operation, extreme temperature adaptability, supports up to 450 degrees Celsius, breaking material limitations and enabling the use of PEEK, PI, and more. Power safety and stability, advanced filtering power switch with up to 95% power efficiency for secure and stable operation, environmentally friendly air purification, new Nevermore V6 air recirculation module with a 95% filtration efficiency for healthier printing, precision leveling system, latest tap leveling technology with an accuracy of up to 0.01 mm for perfect layers every time. Number 4, Creality Ender 3v3SU 3D Printer, Direct Extrusion highly capable. The Sprite extruder of Ender 3v3SU works well with PLA, PTG, and flexible TPU, unlocking your creative potential, and the extruder is market proven for its reliability, as over 500,000 units have been shipped worldwide. Sleek and compact design, Ender 3v3SU is compact, simple, and elegant. It combines neat X, Y, Z-axis, smooth T-shaped profiles and low-key tensioners for a sleek look. User interface comes to life. The UL adopts motion graphics to display the leveling process and other parameters. You can get how the printer is doing at a single glance. Number 5, New Creality 3D Printer. New Creality 3D Printer Ender 3S1 Pro, Ender 3S1 Plus, Ender 3v2 Neo CR Touch Auto Leveling, Ender 3 Series FDM Impressora 3D. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel and stay with us.